Today I wish to speak to all of you humans out there who are choosing to fight. I know that you believe you are doing the right thing, but let me tell you the truth. There is nothing worth fighting for.
So, we're gonna rendezvous with a priest. Because he knows where to find the Ark of the Covenant. Which contains the Holy Grail, which is an alien artifact.
That's AAA, rookie. Get used to it.
Alright, Kenny. We're gonna kill us some aliens.
What is it, Americano? Are you afraid of monsters?
The team just won an all-expenses-paid trip to beautiful Pompeii.
We got raiders on our tail!
We're gonna win this war, no matter the cost.
You don't leave people out to fry.